Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to fix my brother's iPhone 10 low call volume problem. He was like, after updating to the latest version of software, I'm not able to hear the other end person properly. The call volume seems to be low. Also, the other person on the call is saying that his voice is not that much audible, even though their volume is, at high level. So I was like, it cannot be software issue, because if it is a software update that caused the problem, then the issue will be for major number of users, not just specific to some particular user. So this is how is cosmetic wise both the speaker grills and at the top earpiece and everything looks. And here we are going to use the first troubleshooting method that I like to suggest to you in this episode. Before coming to the conclusion that it could be a software, or before taking it to the Apple service center, I just want to save you some time. Get this Faber-Castell Tackett product from Amazon India, or I'll also leave a link to Amazon.com. If you're from US or other countries, you can check the same product available at your country. So simply take a piece of that Faber-Castell Tackett and press it gently. Even you can give a little bit pressure on it, not too much pressure. Let the tackett just pull the dusts and lint or dirts just present in that speaker grill that is clogging the overall the area of the particular speaker grill. So simply press it gently and remove it, and you can do it like 10 to 15 times. As you can see, I'm just changing the direction of the tackett, and I'm pressing it again and again to pull out as much dust as possible. So it's not when we use the phones, normally iPhone 7 plus 8, iPhone 6s plus users, normally I have said this in our channel comments that their call volume problems, from what I understood, like these models have this sort of dust related problems generally. That's because when you keep the phone in pocket, normally it picks up the lint and dust. And if you're in a dusty environment, in India, in some areas, if you are in a roadside shop, in a roadside home, then dusts easily get inside our building. So in such cases, these phones are not immune for those dusts and the pocket lint that normally we every day we face as a problem. So that is the main reason that any smartphone easily get those dusts at first place. And as you can see that the structure is perfectly copied, at the same time you're seeing so many dusts. It of course not a complete cleaning solution, but this definitely helps seeing good improvement with overall call volume and the microphone volume. The other end person will also be able to hear you properly, as most of the dusts are removed. You can do the same process for the lightning port as well. And as you can see, now the black display perfectly merges with the center of the speaker grill. And here the comparison clearly shows the left side is the before and the right side is after. There are still some dusts left, which you can do it for another 15 to 20 times, and you will see some good improvements on the overall dust cleaning process. So this is how you need to fix as a first troubleshooting step. And my brother, after doing this, he was saying that the call is now much better, and he understood that this is not just a software problem, it is caused because of the dust. So give it a try and see how it actually works. I'll leave a links to this Faber-Castell Tackett in the description. Thank you so much for watching. For more iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips, reviews and suggestions, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.